I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth.
Branson and Musk have been investing billions of dollars in their space startups, each encouraging to ship paying clients on rides to space. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Timing. What do you think who is going to win the race to the area? Come, let us find out. But before that, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to continue with the video. It is also to never miss out on more videos we post. Here we begin with the video. The two billionaire entrepreneurs, Elon Musk and Richard Branson, are competing to introduce another time of private commercial space travel. Here is how their opponent ventures contrast in the race with open-up space travel. Branson and Musk have been investing billions of dollars in their space startups, each encouraging to ship paying clients on rides to space, and it will cost a chunk of change to be essential for it. Branson's Virgin Galactic is accounted for to have more than 600 ticket reservations as of now, estimated at around $250,000. It hopes to start a full commercial service in 2022 and ultimately cut the ticket cost to approximately $40,000. And at this point, unidentified individual got one of the seats on Blue's first suborbital mission, scheduled for July 20, with a $28 million auction bid. Musk's SpaceX has effectively taken a team to the International Space Station, and the organization has plans to send an all-regular citizen group into space in September. Musk has likewise said SpaceX would fly Japanese billionaire Yusaku Misawa around the moon with its approaching Starship rocket in 2023. Virgin Galactic's reusable Spaceship Two framework will see its VSS Unity spaceplane lifted to elevation by an enormous transporter airplane called VMS-E before isolating. Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket and case combo shoots into suborbital space before isolating. The rocket segment returns to the launch pad, with the compressed container falling back to Earth under parachutes. It highlights 6 observation windows, the biggest at any point utilized in space. The SpaceX Dragon case sits on a reusable Falcon rocket, which it uses to arrive in space. Virgin Galactic's space plane can hold 6 travelers, 2 groups and 4 travelers. Blue Origin's art can take 6 travelers and flies self-rulingly. The SpaceX Dragon container is fit for conveying up to 7 individuals. Virgin Galactic flaunts a flight season of around an hour and a half from takeoff to landing, including a few minutes of weightlessness. Blue Origin's case suborbital flight is around 10 minutes after division. Once more, those on board experience a couple of moments of weightlessness and see the planet's shape before getting back to Earth. The SpaceX missions are relied upon to last 3 to 4 days from dispatch to splashdown. Average of Branson's ventures, Virgin Galactic is openly financed. Its offers crested at nearly $60, following FAA endorsement in June 2021. Blue Origin is exclusive, with Amazon.com Inc. organizer Jeff Bezos beforehand showing he would sell around $1 billion in Amazon stock every year to support the endeavor. SpaceX is additionally exclusive and has brought billions of dollars up in progressive financing adjusts. Key financial backers incorporate Alphabet and Fidelity. Musk says expenses charged for SpaceX's contract flights will go toward missions to the Moon and, at last, Mars. SpaceX organizer and CEOs, Elon Musk booked a ride to suborbital space with Virgin Galactic, as indicated by media reports. Richard Branson, the billionaire originator of the Virgin Group, made simply such an outing on Sunday, July 11, flying on the primary thoroughly maintained spaceflight of Virgin Galactic's VSS Unity spaceplane. In general, the 4th spaceflight for the 6-traveler, 2-pilot Unity, which is on target to begin complete commercial activities in mid-2022, gave a couple of extra experimental drills. This fall work out in a good way. Branson revealed to the Sunday Times that Musk has put down a $10,000 store to save a seat on a future suborbital flight, and a Virgin Galactic representative affirmed the news to the Wall Street Journal. The most as-of-late expressed total ticket cost is $250,000. It's indistinct when Musk's flight will take off. Musk was close by to observe Branson's flight, which took off from Spaceport America in New Mexico, Virgin Galactic's commercial center point. Sometime before Sunday's initial morning flight, indeed, Branson tweeted out an image of himself remaining close to a shoeless Musk. Another billionaire is set to travel to suborbital space 1 week from now. Blue Origin organizer Jeff Bezos will ride on the primary maintained spaceflight of his organization's New Shepard vehicle, which is planned for July 20, the 52nd commemoration of the Apollo 11 moon landing. Additionally, flying with Bezos is his sibling Mark, spearheading pilot Wally Funk, the still baffling auction victor who paid $28 million for the seat close by them. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. What are your views over the entire scenario? Let us know in the comment section below. Until the next video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to express your support. And stay tuned and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. Cause if you are not subscribed, you are missing out. So, see you soon. Bye.